I'm down here at the Black River Hospital in Jamaica that you've seen all over the news. The hospital that actually got the whole total roof blown off, the entire interior destroyed. There was a lot of injuries here, and the crazy thing about it is a lot of people don't realize that the entire community is devastated. So it's very difficult, first and foremost, to be able to come back to work when their homes are destroyed. Now, we came out here to do a recon for Samaritan's Purse on a medical field hospital, get some drone footage, some size up, and basically create a path of how they would get there and move the logistics in here. But now we're working on the hospital section of it to see how and what can be done to shrink wrap this roof, dry it in, mitigate it, and actually get medical supplies, which we're working through a specific donor out of Chicago to get that stuff in. And what I found so beautiful about this community is the fact that they all care about each other. They all look out after each other. So when I said, do you guys have any idea how many missing people there are? And they said, you know what, we take care of our own. We know who our neighbors are. We know everybody in our community, everybody. And we know that everybody's accounted for. We all communicate, and that's the love and the oneness of what the Jamaican people represent. They're a beautiful people. They've served everybody throughout the world. And I promise you, of all times, this is the time to serve back and give back and help them restore their communities, rebuild their communities. And again, why are we here? Because God sent us to be the instruments, to be the vessels in service to Him and the service to the people that are in need.